One of my favorite tools on an iPad or an iPhone is text replacement, where I can type something short and it becomes something long. It's also built into Google Docs. If you go to Tools at the top, then Preferences, then Substitutions. Some are already entered in for you, but you can add your own. For example, if you have a really long email, I changed mine where if I type K-work, it turns into that full email address and I don't have to type it. This is especially handy if you have underscore or other symbols that are listed. However, be sure you choose a word that is unusual. Otherwise, you're going to have it change in your documents. You can also add emojis. So if I type the word heart, it turns into the heart emoji. To add it, simply type what you would like. For example, I use less than, and I turn it into a symbol that my husband and I have sent back and forth, less than 3U. Click OK. So now when I type less than and hit the space or the enter key, it turns into what I would like. Let's say you added an emoji and you type the word heart, but you don't want it to turn into a heart. After you push the space key, hit backspace, and it will turn back into the original word.